Let me stop you right here. If Russian twists are part of your workout, there's a high chance you're not training your abs, you're training bad habits. I know that sounds extreme, but stay with me for a few minutes and you'll understand why this one. Exercise is either a core builder or a backbreaker, and the difference comes down to details almost nobody teaches. Russian twists are everywhere. Home workouts, gym programs, sports training, even physical therapy. But here's the problem. When an exercise becomes popular, it also becomes rushed and misunderstood. People copy what they see without understanding what the body is supposed to feel. Today I want to slow everything down and give you control back over your core. Quick mindset shift before we move. Your core's main job is not to twist fast. Its job is to protect your spine. Think of your core like a seatbelt. It doesn't move you, it keeps you safe while you move. Russian twists train your ability to control rotation, not create chaos. Once you understand this, every rep starts to feel different. Most people judge up exercises by burn. If it burns, it must be working, right? Wrong. Burn without control is meaningless. Swinging side to side creates burn, but not strength. It's like revving a car engine in neutral. Loud, flashy, and going nowhere. Watch most people do Russian twists and you'll see a collapsed posture. Rounded back, shoulders forward, chin sticking out. This puts stress on the lower spine instead of loading the abs. Over time, this doesn't build a strong core, it builds discomfort. Here's a sneaky one. If your arms are flying and your shoulders are whipping around, your abs are chilling. Arms should guide the movement, not generate it. If your hands feel tired before your abs, that's a red flag. Feet up, heavy weight, faster reps. These look advanced, but most people aren't ready for them. Progression without control is not progress, it's gambling with your spine. Here's the light bulb moment. Russian twists are about staying solid while the body rotates. Imagine holding a bowl of water in your stomach. If you rush or jerk, the water spills. Your goal is to keep that bowl steady through every rep. Sit on the floor and place your heels down. Before leaning back, stack your posture. Rib cage over hips, chest open but relaxed. Neck neutral. Now lean back slowly until your abs turn on. Not shaking. Not collapsing. Just engaged. This is your working position. Leaning way back doesn't mean more abs, it usually means less. Too far back shifts tension to hip flexors and spine. The sweet spot is where you feel challenged but controlled. If you can't breathe calmly here, reset. Before twisting, brace your core. Think about tightening a belt around your waist evenly. Not sucking in, not pushing out, just firm. This brace should stay through the entire set. If you lose it, the rep doesn't count. Bring your hands together near your chest. Now rotate your shoulders slowly to one side. Your eyes, chest, and shoulders move together. Pause briefly. Then rotate back through center to the other side. This pause is where strength is built. The pause kills momentum. Momentum hides weakness. When momentum dies, muscles are forced to work. This is where your abs actually earn their paycheck. Exhale gently as you rotate. Inhale as you return to center. This keeps your ribs down and your core engaged. Holding your breath creates tension in the wrong places. Wrong reps feel rushed and noisy. Right reps feel quiet and heavy. Wrong reps tire you out. Right reps challenge you. The goal is not exhaustion, it's control under tension. Only lift your feet when you can own the movement with feet down. Lift them slightly, knees bent. The moment your lower back arches or your pace speeds up, put your feet back down. Control decides your level, not ego. When adding weight, keep it close to your chest. A light plate is enough. Heavy weight far from your body pulls you out of position. Remember, abs don't need heavy weight, they need honest tension. Advanced athletes focus on slower reps, longer pauses, and perfect breathing. Sometimes removing weight and slowing tempo makes the exercise harder than adding load. That's real progression. Fighters, lifters, and runners don't train their core for looks. They train it to transfer force safely. Russian twists done right teach your body to move power through a stable center. That's performance. Ask yourself mid-rep, could I stop right here and hold this position? If the answer is no, slow down. Control is your standard. Quality beats quantity. 10 perfect reps beat 30 sloppy ones. Train your abs like you train skill with intention. Sit tall, brace first, lean back with control. Rotate slowly from the shoulders. Pause. Breathe. Maintain tension. Every rep counts. Right now, do 10 Russian twists per side with perfect form. Slow, controlled, no rush. Notice how your abs feel different. That's the difference between movement and training. Strong abs aren't built by copying fast reps online. They're built by patience, discipline, and attention to detail. Master this and your core will not only look stronger, it will be stronger. Keep showing up, keep refining, and I'll see you moving better next time.